Good morning, lovelies. Happy Friday Eve. It's Friday Eve. I'm so excited. Heading into the office, I'm going to try and keep it quick, but we'll see. So for today's look, I went back to my VFX Pro camera ready. I wanted to test that out with the tea tree oil in it and just kind of see how if I stay a little bit more matte or test that out because I haven't done that yet. I went for kind of like a more natural look today. So I grabbed the Morphe 18T palette. And so I'll just tell you what I did. Okay, so overall, like on the top and up into my, all of this area that's very light, I grabbed this color that's called Unveiled. Sorry, I couldn't read that. And that's what I did in that area. Then I went in and did a mixture of Genuine and Expose. There's a accent there. And did that like right along in here on my lid. And then I came in and used Tell All for this V shape. So I went right into my crease in the dark and then buffed that out up over onto my brow bone so you can see it a little bit with my hooded eyes. And then I brought that down along here to smoke out the bottom, put on Extra Last, boom, in black, of course my Zen. And then for my lippies, I used a dark liner, so number 227, and then I used Au Naturel. I wanted to double check that I didn't grab Brave on accident, to do like a contoured lip look. Excuse me. And then I went in with the highlighter palette and grabbed that orange color and put it right in the center. And I used the orange highlighter palette as my highlight today as well. So that is my look for this Friday Eve. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day today. Make sure to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Don't forget to get it on the August giveaway by liking and sharing this video and then commenting shared. It's for the Extra Last in black, the eyebrow and lash serum, and a $25 Betty Jane Boutique gift card. So make sure you get in on that, okay? Because we're wrapping up August. All right, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and we'll see you next time. Bye.